Hi guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhijan, and guys, in this video we are coming up with the best language apps. Yes guys. In this video, we're gonna cover best German language apps from A1 to C2 all level. I hope these apps will help you a lot. Make sure to subscribe, and if you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhijan. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes in preparation and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get into this video. Let's go.
Best German language learning apps. The first one is Babel. This is best for beginners to intermediate learners. This focuses on real-life dialogues and practical conversations, which helps learners speak German in everyday situations. The pros of these apps are that it have a real-life dialogues, then it shows grammar explanations, and it is structured lessons. The cons is that you need paid subscription and you have a limited free lessons. But a tip is that if you want structured learning like a course, Babel is one of the best apps. Next app is Busu. This is best for speaking and writing practice. Now this app is unique because native speakers can correct your exercise and give feedbacks. The pros of this app are that you have native speakers feedback, you have structured lessons and community learning. Cons are that some features locked behind premium. But if you want to improve your writing and speaking, Busu is extremely helpful. Next app is Memrise. Memrise uses spaced repetition and videos of native speakers to help you remember words faster. The pros are that you have native speakers video. This is good for vocabulary retention and it has fun learning style. Cons are that it has less grammar explanations. But the teacher's advice is combine Memrise with another app for grammar learning. Next app is Rosetta Stone. This is best immersion method. This is best for thinking directly in German. Rosetta Stone uses an immersion approach, meaning you learn the language without translation. The pros are that you have immersive learning and great pronunciation practice. The cons that it is very expensive and slow progress for some learners. But it is great for improving listening skills. Next app is Anki, which is best for serious learners. Anki uses spaced repetition flashcards to help memorize vocabulary effectively. Pros are that it is extremely powerful for vocabulary, then it is free of cost and it has custom decks. The cons are that it is not very beginners friendly and there are no structured courses. The tip is most serious language learners use Anki deal. So if you want to focus more on the vocabulary part, go for this app. Next app is Lingodeer. This app is best for beginners who wants clear grammar explanations. Lingodeer is often recommended as an alternative to Duolingo because it focuses more on grammar, sentence structures and explanations rather than only gamified exercises. The pros are you get clear grammar explanations, you have structured lessons and good practice exercises. The cons are that here you have small community than Duolingo. But the teacher's tip is if your goal is to understand German grammar properly, Lingodeer is excellent. Then we have Seedlang app. This is best for learning with native videos. Here, Seedlang uses short videos with native German speakers and interactive exercises. It was created by German teacher and focuses on natural language uses. The pros are that here you have native speakers videos, you get good pronunciation trainings and natural German sentences. But the cons are that you have limited free lessons. Next is DW Learn German. This is again best for serious learners on a budget. This app is created by Deutsche Welle, Germany's international broadcaster, and it offers structured courses from beginners to the advanced levels. The pros are that it is completely free, it has structured courses from A1 to B2 level, and it includes culture and news. The cons are interface is not very modern. The last app is Tandem, which is best for conversation practice. This app connects you with native German speakers through chat, voice message or video calls helping you practice real conversation. The pros are that you get real conversation practice, you get language exchange with natives, and improves fluency. But the cons are that it depends on finding good partners. If you don't find a good partner, then it will be a waste of time.
Guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German, the German Gyan. Take care.